They call him the He-Man of Bollywood, the original macho icon who made hearts melt with a smile and villains shiver with a glare. From intense drama to laugh out loud comedies and timeless romance, Dharmendra did it all. Yet behind superstar's charm lies a story of unfulfilled recognition. One of Indian cinema's most beloved actors who, despite giving over 300 films on screen, never won a Best Actor award. Dharmendra's journey began in 1960 with Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere, where he played the lead for modest rupees 51. Garam Dharam blazed through silver screen in 1960s and 1970s. With blockbusters like Fool Aur Patthar, Sholay, Satyakam, Pratigya, Mera Gaon Mera Desh and Chupke Chupke. He became the face of strength, sincerity and style. A complete star who could carry both action and emotion with effortless ease. But what he didn't carry were trophies. Despite ruling the box office, Dharmendra never won the coveted Best Actor award. His only honors came early in his career with a Filmfare Best Talent Award and much later a Lifetime Achievement Award in 1997. And even that moment was bittersweet. When he received the lifetime honor from legends Dilip Kumar and Saira Banu, Dharmendra got emotional and revealed the truth that resonated with millions of his fans. It's been 37 years since I started working. Every year, I used to stitch a new suit, find matching ties, hoping I would get an award, but I never got one. Then I decided I will attend a function wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Public affection is better than dusty trophies lying on some shelf. Today, when fans call him the people's hero, it's not just the films. It's for humility, humor, and heart. Awards may have overlooked him, but the audience never did. And that perhaps is the real mark of greatness.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.